Hi DrawSoCuties, Winnie here. Today I wanted to share with you my first Instagram DTIYS challenge that I posted a while back. But before I get started, if you haven't already joined me on Instagram, please do at DrawSoCute by Winnie. So the challenge here was to draw my unicorn girl in your style, and DTIYS basically just stands for that, draw this in your style, and it's a very popular challenge on Instagram, so I thought it'd be pretty fun for you guys to try it out, and of course for me to see all the beautiful drawings you guys come up with. So the page I asked everyone to tag their drawings at was hashtag DrawSoCute DTIYS. So please make sure to come by here and give these amazing artists some love. And so let's get started. I wanted to show you the beautiful drawings I received, and please stay until the end because I'm going to show you the winners I picked and the last winner today. So what do you think, DrawSoCuties? Aren't these drawings amazing? It was just so fun for me to just see all the drawings you guys came with and the talent out there just based on this unicorn girl that I drew. It's just so amazing. Thank you for everyone who entered and took the time and effort to send it to me. And I really hope you enjoyed this challenge. And once again, congratulations to the first winner, second winner, the runner-ups, and of course today, the last winner. I'm sorry it took so long for me to finally post this. And hopefully on the next challenge, if you guys want another one, I won't take so long. So thank you once again to everyone for all your love and support. And I will see you guys soon, hopefully with another DTIYS on Instagram. Thank you and see you guys later. Bye-bye.